All right, hey everybody, checking out the Rogue Westside bench here, and I'm pretty sure I just invented something new. If you want to warm up for your bench, you don't feel like taking the plates off the bar, you can go ahead and try out my new technique where you get one of these resistance bands and you stretch it under like that, and you loop it over that pin like that. And then you get yourself set up, and it's a good way to warm up. I'll reach back, take one off here, take one off here, and of course, this is just for your warm up, just to stretch yourself out a little bit. You can go ahead and put in a heavier band, put the blue one in, put the green one in. Go ahead, when you're done, clip them back on those pins. You're good to go. Easy way to warm up. Check it out.